wait, you need to see what's inside this insanely crispy firecracker tacos. Let's start with our taco shells, chicken, cheese and fresh veggies. Saute onion and garlic until fragrant. Add the chicken and cook until perfectly browned. Now load it up with chili, paprika, cumin, oregano and salt. For the fairy sauce, mix mayo, hot sauce, honey, chili flakes and lemon. Toast the shell until golden and super crispy. Fill them with melted cheese and our spicy chicken. Add fresh lettuce, tomato, jalapeños and more cheese. Now drizzle that addictive firecracker sauce all over. Finish with spring onions and a little extra chili. Look at that crunch, crispy, cheesy and absolutely irresistible.